Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Debt on a controller. First, understand that Blood Debt is a status effect that activates when a survivor is unhooked. A survivor affected by Blood Debt becomes injured and cannot be healed for 60 seconds. If down during this time, they instantly enter the dying state. The killer also receives a 25% movement speed bonus for 10 seconds after downing a Blood Debt survivor, which is a significant advantage. Mastering this mechanic is key to improving your gameplay. As a survivor, your primary goal when afflicted with Blood Debt is to avoid being downed. Immediately after being unhooked, prioritize gaining distance and breaking the killer's line of sight. Utilize pallets and windows to evade effectively. Communicate with your teammates to ensure they know you cannot be healed, allowing them to protect you or focus on objectives. Once the 60-second timer expires, you can then be healed, so staying alive is paramount. As the killer, Blood Debt presents a powerful opportunity to secure quick downs and maintain pressure. Actively target survivors who are afflicted, as they are vulnerable and cannot be healed. After downing a Blood Debt survivor, capitalize on your 25% movement speed bonus to quickly pursue and down other nearby survivors. Patrol key areas like hooks and generators to intercept survivors. Consider using perks that enhance your chase abilities against injured survivors to maximize this advantage. For advanced play, practice timing your unhooks to give your teammates the best chance to escape the killer's immediate attention. Learning common killer patrol routes will help you anticipate their movements and avoid detection while under Blood Debt. Fine-tune your controller sensitivity settings for precise movement and camera control, which is crucial for effective evasion and chase. Regularly reviewing your gameplay will help you identify areas for improvement and refine your Blood Debt strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.